Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the newest way to add your Chase credit card to the Chase mobile app in 2025. Super quick and easy, so you can start using it with your favorite digital wallets in no time. First, open your Chase mobile app and sign in. Once you're in, tap on your credit card. If you want to add a debit card instead, just tap on your checking account. Next, swipe up to manage account and select digital wallets. Here, you'll see a list of all the supported digital wallets. Tap the one you want to use. You'll now see a screen showing cards you've already added and those available to add. Simply tap on the card you want to add, depending on the digital wallet you choose. You may need to accept their terms and conditions. Just a quick tap and you're done. And that's it. Your Chase card is now added and ready to use in your digital wallet, making payments faster and safer than ever. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy spending.